Guys, Knowledge of Health here. Just want to read this real quick. Jeremiah 30, verse 13. Then out of them shall proceed thanksgiving and the voice of those who make merry. I will multiply them, and they shall not diminish. I will also glorify them. They shall not be small. It's a universal principle that thanksgiving, gratitude causes multiplication. Whatever you're grateful for, whatever you focus on in gratitude is going to multiply, it's going to grow. When Jesus lifted up the 5 loaves and 2 fishes, he gave thanks, then they multiplied. He fed like 10,000 people with that. So that is the key to multiplication. We got to stay into gratitude. This is a universal, unbreakable principle. All right, let's check out the stocks I have gotten today. Today I have gotten UBRL. This is the double leveraged Uber. I actually bought a little in the after hours yesterday and then some today. Let's check out the chart. Also, I want to just say Uber is undervalued. All three of my purchases today are undervalued according to Morningstar. So the bottom line, we have our bottom here. We have our first target to trim around 73. Second target to sell the rest on this. This is a trade that I'm doing. Will be 81. I am using the Uber chart because that's what the URBL is based on. But let's see. Let's check out the other chart as well. It's going to mirror it, but it's double leveraged. But I'm going to go off the Uber chart on when I sell. All right, I also bought some more LYB and Dow today. They are both very undervalued based on Morningstar when I checked about a week ago. Let's just check out these charts real quick, and then that's it. That's all I've bought today. I needed some more exposure to the materials type of stocks. As you can see, it broke out above that green line, which is the 5-day EMA. That is the trigger to buy for me. And they both pay some dividends, so not too bad. Above the 5-day triggered me to buy it. Let's see. Let's also check just one more that I would have bought some ExxonMobil had I actually had more money. Well, it did not hit the 5-day yet, so. But we can see it has stopped around the same exact point before. You can see the RSI is extremely low. So not a bad one to buy here, or you could wait for it to go above the 5-day as a kind of an indicator that it's not a falling knife anymore. But yeah, a lot of these oil stocks have just had a down move lately, so not the worst idea on some of those. Let's see. I like this ZVol for dividend income. SCHD, again, just waiting for it to go above the 5-day, but I spent my money on what made sense today for me and my goals, so Oxy keeps going down. It looks like it might want to reverse again. Wait for it to go above that green line, which is your 5 EMA. And that one's undervalued as well, the Oxy. I'm looking at LMT. I have a very small amount of like a partial share of this, so adding some of the defense stocks would be good. I was looking at Raytheon, but I feel for now I don't want to over diversify. I mean, that wouldn't be a bad move either. Uh, it was above the 5-day yesterday. Now it's going down a little. That wouldn't be a bad move. I feel like from what I've heard, it's a pretty solid stock. But I'm gonna stick with LMT for now because I don't want to like I feel like I kind of over diversify. So I'm just gonna stick with one thing for now, and it's got a big move down. So and it's under the 200 average now, and it'll be pulled back to that line eventually someday. All right, guys. Peace.